Alright, now it works. So yeah, what I said, backtesting every day on someone profitable day 80. Yo, Georgie, where's? I just texted you in the second you went live. Oh, nice. Nice, wow. Yeah, after this like an earlier backtesting session because I don't have time after this, so I will be trading. But then we also have 10 a.m. news, so I'll just look when the market opens. But I can do 1 hour until 10 a.m. That's fine. 14th of September 2021. Oh, what? Alright, so we do have CPI this day. A big push higher from here. So it looks really, really bullish. And tapped into a singular weekly busy. What did you send? Where's? Get your ass in the voice chat. Sorry boys. When the backtesting session. Maybe before live stream, yeah. Whereas you knew it already, you felt it probably. And we have an SMT at the low of that range, so that's good. And then this is a 6-hour SIBI, which I would like to see get in first. And then on ES, that's a 8-hour SIBI. We're pretty low, we're still in a discount all the way there, but we did have CPI from here. I do think that this is gonna hold. We do have SMT at that as well. And there's no other news, so I will be looking for longs here. This will be the draw on liquidity. Or the low-hanging fruit. That'll be a stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model, and the next star is going to be all the way up there, which are equal highs, which look really good. But first, it's going to be the target up there. Let's see what we do. Hopefully, we can trade lower with the Judas swing, but we'll see. No other news. Nice, we do trade lower. Tapping into this singular imbalance, which is on the 50-minute, actually 30-minute. And then ES trading lower. Also inside of a 30-minute busy. There. Alright, let's see here. ES looks more bearish than NQ, but we'll see how far it goes. ES did take out A30 low here. And NQ also now. 1004. To take out equal lows, you have a SIBI here as well. If we inverse that, and that'll be a trade right away. Equalize here, that'll be the break even, I think. The break even is going to be this high. It's not a 4-hour low, no it isn't. Stop on the second lowest candle here. Place order. So yeah, this is going to be break even here. And there will be a break even on ES right here also. Yeah, let's see. Expecting bullish price action, so let's see here. And nothing here. Okay, that's a full stop. Literally did nothing here. Yeah, we did have a huge price run lower as well, but yeah, I'd still look for bullish prices here. Don't have anything on ES, and then these equal highs here or clean highs here now. Yeah, copying this into Notion. Yo, divs. Yeah, also waiting for market open, yeah. And then just backtesting before that, and then I'll watch the market what it does at market open. Oh shit. And I will be just looking at the market, but I know we have 10 a.m. news as well. We have what do we even have? Like, let me see. We have yeah, PMI at 10 a.m. So that also, like, if it's 9:45, I only have a small window where I could take a trade if there is an opportunity. But I don't think there's going to be an opportunity in that small window anyway. Yeah. So I can do a backtesting session of an hour now. That's good. Don't really have much time today for or not. Yeah, no other time window for today where I can backtest. Yo, Berkey, what's up, man? How are you? Devs also, how are you, man? Diffs. Yeah, so that's 1042. Did I even paste it in here? I didn't. Copy image. Let's see here. They got all these lows. Now I'm still bullish. We have a Sibi here on a 2 minute. Nothing here. Yeah. And we did close below this, I think now. No, we didn't. Yes, still trading lower. Like it does look like it's going for that low. We don't have anything in this leg here. And we're even beyond the optimal trade entry. And then on NQ. Oh wow, I didn't even see this. Oh shit. I should have been looking for shorts here. Because a 1 hour plus busy that we inverse on this here, that's the bias. Ah shit. That's unfortunate. And then on the ES we have nothing, so this is gonna be the draw. Shit. Do we go back for that trade now? Yeah, I shouldn't have been looking like if I was trading this in real market. Again, this looks so stupid, but I am going back for this. So it's gonna be looking for shorts here. I don't even know if there was an opportunity. But that's my draw on liquidity, either on ES or on NQ. So that was the trade there I was in. Took equal highs here now. Maybe that actually, now it's gonna look really bad, but that would be 3 minutes. 1, 3, no. No, 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 no. Now it's the closure below. But then ES took out these lows, so there's no trade in there. So I have to wait for more structure now. 1045, nothing here. If nothing here, we do an SMT at this high beyond the second stage distribution. Or no SMT, but no closure above. This is the closure below. That would be a break-even trade over here anyway on these wicks. So I'm not going back for it. Took out these highs now on NQ here. See if you can still displace lower. Nothing here, and I think this is going to be outside my kill zone, which is here, yeah. And then go to the PM session now. And ES now took the low here of that significant range. We have an SMT here as well, so now I will be looking for longs. Why are you waiting for a 1 minute inversion where you could wait for the 5 minute to inverse and then answer on the 1 minute? Just a question, this helped me a lot. I look for singular inversions, like I have to do with the market structure. And I look for singular inversions then. So I can enter on the 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but that depends on what inversion. So here we have a few 1 minutes, and then that would be a 2 minute inversion, and that would be the entry. Like it would also be the same for me. But yeah, I go from the lower time frame on the 1 minute because now I'm expecting bullish price. I think, and it is a 4 hour low. So I at least need to wait for a 5 minute real soup after that low gets taken. So just looking at the 5 minute now for more structure. Yeah, and now I can be looking for longs, but I would say that this looks pretty bearish, but still I'm really bullish from here. Yeah, now I could be looking for longs, and now I just look at the structure. So, see what we have here. Nothing here. Just let this play out. We'll take equal lows here. This looks pretty bad again. Still have the SMT holding. Yeah, so this is a trade here. Not gonna ignore it, but that's basically my setup. Like maybe if you see this for the first time, it doesn't really make any sense. Like wow, that's so low probability, but I know what I look for, so that's yeah, it will make sense if you see more of it. Yeah, we took now these equal lows, and I'm still respecting this bigger time frame busy here, and then still have these equal highs up here. Still an SMT holding as well, and yeah, I would still look for bullish prices in this because it's still a bullish trending market, and I don't want to call tops in bullish trending markets. But the closure above us here, so that would be my entry. Place order there, and then the break even is going to be at a 1 to 1 there, because this would be the break even. That's beyond a 1 to 1. It's a 1 to 2, no. Or break even is going to be on ES. On this high over here, or on a 1 to 1 on NQ. Let's see. So that's a break-even trade, and stage of accumulation is going to be first TP in this market make a buy model. But there isn't. That would be this one, but that's not a 1 to 2, and I at least take a 1 to 2. So it'll be 1 and 2 first fixed TP, and then full TP is going to be another stage of accumulation in the smart megabyte model, which will be here. Or ES takes it, and then I'll take full TP. That's not it on ES, that's here. So let's see if we get break even now or 1 or 2. Nothing here, and that's a break even trade, and that did prevent me from getting fully stopped out, so that's good. But unfortunately, nothing there. But yeah, we did react off this here, where I would be break even. That's pretty nice, and then having a high taken there again as a troll soup, then trade lower, but still I'd be expecting bullish price, but it's outside my trading time anyway. Oh, this 1508, didn't even notice. Going back for this again, this looks really random if you see this for the first time, but when I'm in the trade, my first TP is at a 1 or 2, but my kill zone ends at 1508, so that is right here, and then I'll close my full position. Manually. So here and then here, I close my full TP. So that was a 1-to-1 RR, which is okay. But you can see again that last hour. That's the reason why I take a partial off there, because you can see, like, not always, but I see the last hour always reversing, and it does it perfectly here, or beautifully here. But 107 first TP. Uh, 1508. Top left there, and then yeah, nice copy image, paste into Notion. So now going to the next day, which will be Wednesday, we have medium impact folder news, so only the AM session trading. And look, that's like, no, that's not even a big reaction, but we do get some reaction after this. So still, this does look good in my favor, I would say, of going to that it is bullish. Still with SMT holding at that significant range here. Then we don't have an inversion in this bearish leg here. We do have a 30-minute here. And then the first target would be the swing high, which would be here, which is not taken yet. No, it isn't. So that's going to be the target at least, but I think like maybe the first scan with 930 opens and takes that high. But still, the buys would be even more bullish after that. Trading higher, expecting it to trade to these highs here. Which will be this high after first. Then this high. And then that high. We'll see. But only AM session trading because of medium impact folder news. Let's see what we have here. Looking more at the structure. Did got these lows here on the S. And then didn't take it out on NQ, so I have an SMT there as well. But let's see what the Judas swing wants to do as well. Let's see. So there's that first candle. Whoa, immediate drop lower, taking out those highs. I would still be bullish here. This could still be a Judas swing. And then this 30-minute like is holding still, but we have to wait until 10 AM opens, because that will be the 30-minute closure as well, and more candles. Have a huge drop lower here. Wow, what a drop. So now I would take all those lows. I would still be looking for bullish prices, just because we are inside of this weekly busy and we're in a bullish trending market. Again, I don't want to be calling tops in bullish trending markets. Like, there's no draw on liquidity lower for me. And let's see from here. So ES back at the high, nothing here. 1, 2, 3. This is the 4-hour candle opening. We don't really have anything here. Not really moving in tandem as well, because ES is all the way up here. And then we do have an SMT at the high, but it does look like ES wants to trade higher, which is good. Nothing here. We wait for more structure. Still drop lower. If we're just dropping lower, like, I'm not interested, because I'm bullish. So I have to wait for my setup to form anyway. Nothing here. And this outside my kill zone, 11:15. So go to the PM session now, and that's beautiful. Oh, beautiful there as well. And yes, there. So there's that reaction that I was waiting for. And then, oh, this could be removed. I don't even know why I have it on there. And then ES has no singular imbalance here, I think. Oh yeah, we do. Okay, that's nice. Oh, I'm getting called. 1 second. All right. I don't know what that was. Yeah, so ES has this singular 4-hour, what is it, Sibi here, that we're about to inverse here. And then it looks really clean of us going to the highs there. So that'll finally be the reaction. And on NQ, we have a singular four-way gap or singular Sibi that we inverse on the 2-hour, which we will also close above. So that would be like a barrier. There. All right, let's see here. 1315 or 1330 needs to trade lower. So I do need to see manipulation lower before we go higher. This looks like a trend line here. Hope to see if we can break it. Nothing really here. Nothing here. Nope. Still waiting. Taking these equal lows now. I have a Sibi here. Let's see. Okay. We do close above it, but and then yeah, yes, they take out all these highs. Let's see what time it is. Yeah, also on the right time. Taking out all these equal lows. Having the inversion here where we close above. Also, not on NQ, but only on ES. That will be the entry stop on the second lowest candle. This will be the break even. Place order at least 1 or 2 inside of a 1 or 3. So this would be first TP. That's nice. And then yeah, let's see if we even want to get there. And then break even is going to be here on NQ or here on ES. Let's see. That's a break even. See if we're on the run there. And what time is this? 14:49. Nice, and that's first TP. And then 15:08. Let's see if I can take my TP off. 15:08 would be here, so that's where I would fully close this. But I wasn't able to take my TP. I was waiting for this candle. So let me take 75% off here at the 1 or 2, and then let's see if I can take it off at the 15:08 candle here. Oh, don't go there, please. Go to this line, please. Oh no. Oh no. Hopefully it goes back to the line so I can actually take the profit. Otherwise I have to go all the way back. Well, I should have just taken it off, like it isn't that many points. Go lower, lower. Oh my god. Okay, nice. So that would be the 15:08 there. I'm gonna fully close there. So now this would be the trade, but I couldn't have taken it off clean in FX replay, so that's why. But yeah, this is really nice here. First CP, 2.75 RR here. So 75% would go off at yo, NQ. You don't like putting stop loss below that swing on NQ? What do you mean? Oh, you mean this here? Like what I have is I always put my stop on the second lowest candle of the sweep. So in this case, it's just not that swing low, but in other cases, there's like a huge wick, and then here, then I wouldn't put my stop here, but I put it on the second lowest candle here, which would give a bit more RR, and that would make the, like I've seen the 1 or 2 get hit more if I put it on the second lowest candle. And if I put it on the lowest candle, like in this case, it isn't that many points, but in some cases it's bigger. And yeah, I also looked at that. But yeah, that's the reason why I don't put it at the swing low. So it's always the second lowest candle for me. Now 15:08 would be here. It is actually a really nice trade. Full TP, nice. Interesting. Okay, cool. Yeah. Copy image here. How are you, NQ? You trading today? And then yeah, here. Oh yeah, of course. Wednesday. Now go to Thursday. It's gonna be here. Still didn't take out the buy side, but again, like we were just really bearish from here. And then like this, just beautiful here. That was what I was waiting for, and now we finally got it. It's just beautiful that you can kind of like expect it to happen, and then it actually happens. Like this, really satisfying. We do have a 4-hour inversion here, but that's lower than this singular busy here on ES. and that would be on the 2 hour, which is here. This is higher here, so I don't even have to mark out the inversion here. And then on Q, we have a singular 6 hour busy here. And then these really clean equal highs here, which hasn't been taken on ES as well. So I really think that that's going to be the draw. Yeah. Let's see from here. And then this shouldn't be on here anymore. All right, let's see. I'm doing just fine, brother. Probably not taking a trade today. So much news, but I say that I might end up taking some really small scalps. Nice, man. Just yeah, if it's really clear again. Like I also like I don't know what today. NFP was pretty bullish. I saw. What do we have here? Yeah, honestly, like I would be expecting. I would be looking for bullish prices, but it looks so clear that I want to go to these low. I don't even think I'm going to take a trade today. Like it looks so clear that we want to go for these lows here, and then also all this sell side here. I think it's just going to be like I will be looking for longs, even I don't even want to. But if my model, like everything mechanically shows that we're bullish, but yeah, again, like I always say, like I trade what I see, not what I think. And then this again, that example, but it does look really clear to me that I want to go to at least these lows. So probably we will just have a big drop today and really have nothing to the upside. So wouldn't be anything there anyway, but still. A lot of news came out bearish this morning. Yeah, but that's bearish news is good for the for the indices. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So I think NFP was. Oh, actually. Oh wait, what? Oh no, it wasn't. Wait, I was looking at gold then. I think gold was on here. Yeah, it was gold. Oh yeah, never mind then. Because I opened my charts and then it was gold and ES, but I thought it was NQ at first. But here I switched it. But yeah. So let's see what we have here. Single busy here. Alright, see, so it does look pretty good for longs here. I have this staircase of low resistance liquidity, I would say. So let's see here. And do we have other news? We have 8:30 news, high impact, but nothing else. Nothing here. Would wait for more structure. Nothing here. Now taking out all these lows. Not really respecting this busy, but we have 2 hours from this candle to close, so still be looking for bullish prices. Can have optimal trade entry on here. Fade the news, essentially. What do you mean? Alright, so here. That'll be 10 AM. Would wait now, and now we took out these equal lows, I think. Yes. And then single FVG, and then did this close above already? Wow, that's a really nice entry then. So there. Still not busy, looking for higher prices here, and then on this 1 minute we have a singular bearish value gap will be, and that will be an inversion because we close above, stop on the second lowest candle, and then yeah, like this is like a good example, and then the risk would be so good, but also it could be stop out, of course. But yeah, let's see. Stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model is going to be first CP, which is going to be inside of a 1 or 2 till 1 or 3. And that will be the first one would be, yeah, here actually. This is a swing high here. Next one is going to be here. There. All right, let's see here. So that would be first CP if we even want to get there, or yeah, stop. We'll see. That's first CP. Shit. Couldn't take it off. Shit. Let's go back here. And then I'm going to take like a 70 or 80% off there, because I know that will be break even. And I should have had 75% taken off there, but I couldn't. So let me see, that was on here then. 75%, like do 80. 80% went off there, and my stop at break even was already at a 1-to-1 here. And then that was break even trade. Nice. And then put this behind it as well. Alright, nice trade. Copy image. It's in Notion. It's going really well actually. So 10.15. I would still be looking for bullish prices, even though we have this drop lower now again. Nothing here. If we do, then that would be a 3 minutes maybe, and then we take out any equal lows. To take out these lows on the S. Oh, this looks bad again. Let's see, I'm not gonna play this out. Hopefully it will be break even trade because I don't want to go back for this. There was the entry, stop on second lowest candle. Break even would be at a 1-to-1. Let's see. Alright, that will be the full stop then. So I go back for this because I would have taken this. And then that will be done for the day because I took a win on the day, I took a loss on the day, and my rules allow me to take a win and a loss and I would still be up for the day. But yeah, that would be the day. So there. So yeah, 1-on-1 break even, which we never got there. There, that would be the full stop. Yeah. So copy image and then put this in here. And that was the day. Like, let's see if you did anything bullish. Like, I would still be bullish. Let's see if you had anything. That's lunch hour. This PM session. There's the AM session. And that'll be outside my kill zone. That's just beautiful. What time is this? 15:10, 15:08. Let's see if we have a drop now. Nothing really. But yeah, this is what I was waiting for again. Look how clean that is. Like, I was trading the AM session. If I wanted to, like, I took one win on a day, and then I probably wouldn't have waited. Like, if I, like, my rules allow me to take one win and then another win or a loss. But if I took a win, like, I'm not gonna take the AM session off and then come back in the PM session. Like, I wouldn't do that. Like, I would just be trading then still and expect the buy side to be taken there. But yeah, the AM session, then nothing happened there, so unfortunate there. But yeah, this is what I was waiting for. Just a beautiful run, I would say. Yeah, really nice. There. Oh. Now we go to Friday, where we have medium impact floor news, and I'm not trading this day because of that. On a Friday. And then Monday, next day, we have no news. I skip this day. Tuesday, no news. And then Wednesday, we have FOMC in the PM session. So I'd skip until we have FOMC there. And this again, wow, this is just a huge drop. Let's see where we are now in the charts. Okay, so we didn't close below this yet. Oh, SPY plus QQ are up 0.50% here in pre-market. Yeah, the market's about to open, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, I would say, like, what are you thinking for today? Thank you. I do think that, like, you don't trade ICT concepts, of course, but these lows are so clean. Like, you have all this liquidity below here. I think we're just gonna push up somewhere in the AM session, never drop lower. Even though I would be bullish and looking for bullish prices, even after this huge drop, there is no PD array which would tell me to go bearish. Like, this inversion here would target the low all the way here, but then we have a 2-week singular SIBI holding where we close above, so that I would see that get used as support. Oh, but then actually again, wait, let me do all my analysis actually again. Because this is the significant range high, significant range low. Like, I would be bullish anyway with because of the elections, but yeah, let's just have this on there then. I'm gonna do all my analysis over again. I think it actually would be looking for shorts. This is a significant range high there. Then I have an SMT there. Oh, well, actually, I can be looking for shorts. There's the SMT. And then we had a singular BISI here in this leg, which would be on the daily. And then I know we have a singular 3-day forced FEG here, but a forced FEG I can ignore it if market shows otherwise. And now we close below this, so this would be all lower resistance. So this would be the target after closing below, but that was taken already there. And these are the target, which are all equal. So I'm just going to mark out the low. That's literally trend line. And then these as well. Until where we have a gap again. And that would be also in here. So a really small gap there. And then on ES, also have an SMT. It's more bullish. But then on ES, 3-day. And then we have a weekly busy here, which didn't get close below yet. But now I would be following NQ, what NQ did, and NQ did close below that singular busy. And then also this would be all low resistance in this leg here. This would be a significant range in its own. But then we do have a gap here, so from here I'll be looking for bullish price again. But then for ES it would be looking for bullish price from here again. But then also it's a Friday today, so a weekend goes over it and I have more data then. Yeah, actually I can be looking for shorts, so that's good. So that's actually now in line with trading what I think and trading what I see. So actually it does look good here for shorts, which of course it's pretty obvious, but and then we don't have an inefficiency here on NQ, and also not on ES, but have that inversion. But I'm not even thinking that of course we will trade back in the premium. I think we'll stay inside of a low range, maybe even have here, nothing here, maybe on ES. Also nothing here, so yeah, just looking at the structure then. And then we do have an SMT of this significant range where this is all balanced because there's no inefficiency, no singular inefficiency. And then we have taken the significant range high here. And then on ES we didn't, so I have an SMT there as well. And then waiting for 930 to give the Judith swing. Maybe you can trade into those highs again, but from there I would actually expect a pretty big or quick reaction lower then. And these are all equal lows. This was the original consolidation. This would also be nice. This would be a target. This as well, but this is probably going to get taken right away there. There as well. And on ES here. Here. And ES not even there, but yeah, just have this marked out. So that actually looks pretty good now. So yeah, nice. But yeah, what are you thinking, NQ then? And then what do we have in this leg? We do have a 50-minute busy here that we are holding still. If that get close to below and we have nothing in this low, that would give me even more confidence of going to the low there. And then that would be on ES. Or ES already closed below this. Yeah, that's a forced 50-minute here. Yes, already closed below, but then again we have to keep in mind with the Judith swing. But then the first swing low is going to be the target. And then maybe on NQ even, but that's not on the 50-minute, but also that'll be this low on NQ. Alright. Yo, Mr. Nobody. How are you? Not trading today? No, I am yeah, I am trading today. Literally just did my analysis again. Like I was saying my like how I trade, it showed me that I had to actually look for bullish prices, but now with this significant range on the bigger time frame, which is on the weekly of course, then this would be my significant range low, significant range high, and we have an SMT from there, so I can look for, yeah, maybe it doesn't make sense, but to me it does. And but the conclusion is I can be looking for shorts. And like my how I trade said to me or told me or showed me that I should be looking for longs, which I was against, or it's really weird, but I didn't want to look for shorts because it looks really bearish for me, of course. But I always say I trade what I see and not what I think, and that would go against it. But yeah, now it's in it's both the same, so it's good. You trading today, Mr. Nobody? Let's go back to the backtesting again, actually. So yeah, this weekly didn't close below this yet. Took a sell already done. Nice, Georgie. Wow. Nice, man. That's a great fitting going into the weekend. Yeah, that would be a singular weekly. Oh, and then yeah, we closed below this here. So we took out this low. That would be the first swing low as a target, which we now took, where we have an SMT as well. NQ is holding this busy, so I would be looking for longs here again. Yep. And then have an SMT at that low, so I would be looking for longs from here. Let's see what's going to be the draw on liquidity. This would be low hanging fruit on like a 4 hour. Yeah. That's a low-hanging fruit there. There as well. See what we have in this bearish leg here. Nothing here, maybe 4 hour, 6 hour, no, nothing here. So this is also a significant range high, significant range low. There, which we are in. And then on ES, we have a singular 1 hour here, which we close, or actually we don't. We have a singular 2 hour here where we close above. That will make me target the first swing high, which is here, and then create equal highs on that as well, which is really clean. And then also have that same high and NQ there. So it looks really good for bullish price, I would say. What day is this? Wednesday, 22nd. Oh yeah, FOMC. Go to the PM session until FOMC is released, I wanted to say. But wow, that's really nice. But still, I'll wait until FOMC is released. That'll be right now. And now it's still look for bullish prices. The low hanging fruit has now been taken. We have this singular 2 hour BISI. This is going to be the next low hanging fruit. And on ES, it's nothing here. Then this would also be low hanging fruit. Took a sell already done. Had 79.3%. We take out. Had 79.3%. We take out NFP lows. What do you mean? 79.3%. Yo, Bart, how are you, man? I'm very short from A50 to news. Equal lows, taking my partial and holding. Nice, wow. Yeah, I also expect it to go lower. Nice. You guys already, like I don't trade pre-market. Like I haven't found the consistency in it. But that sounds all like just waiting now. Borrowing profit, and there's just more chance of going lower. Like that's the best feeling, I would say. Yeah. Well, getting cold. 1 second. Alright, I'm good. What about you? Yeah, I'm good as well, man. Thank you. How's your backtest? Going great, actually. 39 minutes backtesting now. Market's about to open. But I have to go in like 2 minutes. 4 or 5 minutes. Do I just hold it here, or do I just end it then? Like 40 minutes? No, I'm gonna end it then. Like, let me take only this session. Then I'm gonna end it. Only 40 minutes backtesting. It's alright. I really have to go. Got cold. But yeah, let's see here. 14. I would say we're looking for longs. And okay. Okay. That's taken now, so let's just end it there. Analytics. Wow, so actually going really well. Wow, am I in a winning streak as well? Oh, 1 loss there. 1 loss, 1 win, 2 wins, 3 wins, 4 wins, and then a loss. Nice. Going really well. Let's see, was there anything else? Yeah, really well actually. 35 winners, 39 losers. Wow. Honestly, this is like what I would pray for. This looks good as well. Yeah. No, it looks good. And this is just trading like as mechanical as possible. So I should trust on these results, and it's only now time will tell, and time will pay. And I'll see this in the live markets because it's literally almost mechanical. Yeah, I would love to see this in the live market, but we'll see. 2 more minutes until market opens. I will be there, but I think I'm gonna be trading after 10 a.m. Because of news as well. But yeah, do you know guys some good videos for finding daily buzz? Yes, Bart, go to Justin Werline. I have to do that very quick, or just look him up, Justin Werline. This guy, and watch this video. If you, I don't know if you trade ICT concepts, but if you do, Bart, then here. And he has some like really simple videos. I learned a lot from this guy. I really go to this guy if you're trading IST concept. I'm gonna end here. Thank you Bart, thank you NQ, thank you Miss Nobody, or Georgie, or Georgie, NQ. Yeah, thank you guys. I'm gonna end here. Appreciate you. See you.